this International Women's Day, we recognize the critical role that women play in Ethiopia's socio-economic landscape.
March 8 gabdhuhu waxbarashada ha aadaan.
And March 8 for me is self-acknowledgement.
March 8 ለሴቶች እድገት
March 8 ለሴቶች ስኬት
March 8 ለሴቶች እኩልነት
March 8
ganacsiga haweenka ha la hormariyo
ዓላማችን ሁሉን ሴቶች የሚበቁበት አስተዋጽኦን የሚያደርጉበት እና የሚመሩበት የተሻለን ነገ በጋራ መፍጠር ነው
As you all know, the theme of Women's Day this year is gender equality, rights and empowerment for all women and girls. So my message today is to call to everybody to invest to make this theme a reality for all women and particularly for women and girls in Ethiopia.
እንኳን ለሴቶች ቀን ለማርች 8 አደረሳችሁ አደረሰን እንግዲህ ሴት ማለት ሀገር ናት